Hi, good morning, children. Welcome back to our class. Children, in the previous class, already I explained that poem. Which one? The boy who never told a lie. Here, the poet is talking about a little boy who had curly hair and pleasant eye. Understand? Then here pleasant means happy. Okay. Then a boy who had curly hair or who always told the truth and never speaks lie. Understand? Always he speaks the truth. Always he speaks the truth and he never tells a lie. So here, then this boy, all the children appreciated this boy because he never tells a lie. Always he speaks the truth. Then the people call him, the people started calling him the honest youth. Understand? So why they call him honest youth? Because he never told a lie. Understand? Always he speak the truth. So we learn up to here. Then now take textbook page number 46. Textbook page number 46. Take fast. Page number 46. Before that, see children, meanings are there. Two meanings are there. That meanings you have to study. The first one, pleasant. It means smiling or happy. Understand? Smiling or happy. Then trotted off means walked. It means walked. Okay. So these are the two meanings. What are they? First one is pleasant. It means smiling or happy. Second one is trotted off. It means walked. Okay, that means you have to study. Then answer the following questions. First one, when the boy who never told a lie grew up, what was he called? When the boy who never told a lie grew up, what was he called? അല്ലേ, അതായത് ഈ കുട്ടി ഒരിക്കലും കള്ളം പറയത്തില്ലെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, ആ കുട്ടി വളർന്നു വന്നപ്പോൾ അവൻ എന്താ വിളിച്ചത്? ഗ്രൂ അപ്പ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? വലുതായി വന്നപ്പോൾ എന്ത് വിളിച്ചു? He was called the honest youth. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ, people started calling him honest youth എന്ന് പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ, പറഞ്ഞു. But he was called the honest youth. Write down the first question. This already I gave the notes. Understand? Those who didn't complete, let them write now. Okay? Write down, answer the following questions and write the first question. What is the first question? When the boy who never told a lie grew up, what was he called? Write the question from your textbook. Okay? See, answer is, he was called the honest youth. He was called the honest youth. He was called the honest youth. Okay. The next one is, what did the boy look like? What did the boy look like, children? The boy had curly hair and pleasant eye. The boy had curly hair and pleasant eye. Right? The boy had curly hair and pleasant eye. Have you completed? Okay. Question, write from the textbook. Okay. Then next one. Third one. See. What did the boy always do? What did he never do? അല്ലേ? എപ്പോഴും ആ കുട്ടി എന്താ ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്? വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ദ ബോയ് ഓൾവേസ് ഡു? എപ്പോഴും എല്ലായ്പ്പോഴും അവൻ എന്താ ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്? കള്ളത്തരമാണോ ചെയ്തത്? നോ. സോ ദിസ് ബോയ് ഓൾവേസ് told the truth. Read down. The boy always told the truth. Understand? The boy always told the truth. He never told a lie. He never told a lie. അതായത് അവൻ എപ്പോഴും സത്യം മാത്രമേ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നുള്ളൂ, അല്ലേ? ഹി നെവർ ടോൾഡ് എ ലൈ. അവൻ ഒരിക്കലും കള്ളത്തരം പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നില്ല. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? കള്ളം, ലൈ മീൻസ് കള്ളം, അല്ലേ? കള്ളം പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നില്ല. ഇതാണ് സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Then look at the third one. Choose the correct answer. Everybody loved him. എല്ലാവർക്കും അവനെ ഇഷ്ടമായിരുന്നു. അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മുടെ ക്ലാസ്സിലും നല്ല കുട്ടികൾ, അല്ലേ? എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമാണ് പറഞ്ഞനുസരിക്കുന്ന, അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ഹോംവർക്ക് കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതേപോലെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അനുസരണയോടുകൂടി ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് പറയുന്നതും, അല്ലേ? ഒക്കെ കേൾക്കുന്ന, മുതിർന്നവർ പറഞ്ഞാൽ കേൾക്കുന്ന, അച്ഛനും അമ്മയൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കുന്ന കുട്ടികളെല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമാണ്, അല്ലേ? എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. അപ്പം അങ്ങനെയുള്ള അപ്പം ഈ കുട്ടിയെ എല്ലാവരും എവരിബഡി ലവ്ഡ് ഹിം. എല്ലാവർക്കും അവന് ഇഷ്ടമായിരുന്നു, അല്ലേ? കാരണം എന്താണ്? ഹി നെവർ ടോൾഡ് എ ലൈ. ദെർ ആർ 3 ഓപ്ഷൻസ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ഹി ഹെൽപ് പീപ്പിൾ ഇൻ ട്രബിൾ. Second one, he gave away all his money. Third one, he never told a lie. 3 options. There are 3 options. Understand? Which option is right, children? The last one. Which one? He never told a lie. Write down. Third one. C, D. He never told a lie. That you should write in your textbook. That only you tick it. Understand? That no need to write in your notebook. In the notebook you should write how many questions are there? 3 are there. These 3 question answers you should write in your notebook. Okay, children? That the last one, third not fourth one, D is no need to write in your notebook. You should write in your textbook. Tick that option. Okay. Then children, rhyming words. Rhyming words. First one, I lie. Write down. I lie. Truth, youth. Third one, cry. Same, lie. And the ending sound is same. Cry, I sound. Cry, lie. Okay? See here, I lie. Truth, youth. Cry, lie. So here the fifth, this poem, from this poem you should learn meanings. Answer the following and rhyming words. So meanings, what are they? Pleasant, smiling, happy. Started off, walk. So these are the 2 meanings. These meanings you have to study. Then next, answer the following. Which one? First one, when the boy who never told a lie grew up, what was he called? The answer is, he was called the honest youth. Then second one is, what did the boy look like? The boy had curly hair and pleasant eye. Then C, what did the boy always do? What did he never do? The answer is, the boy always told the truth. He never told a lie. Then D, there are 3 options. You tick last option. Which one? He never told a lie. Choose the correct answer. Everybody loved him because he never told a lie. So that option is, you tick it. Then after that, rhyming words. I lie. Truth, youth. Cry, lie. So these you have to study from this poem. Understand? Which one? Meanings. Answer the following. Then rhyming words. Okay, children? Okay, children? Study well this fifth lesson. That means for poem. Answer the following meanings. Then rhyming words you have to study. Okay. So our English portion already I told you. Understand? Lesson 1 to 5. Okay children, I am going to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.